Now, let me carefully explain how to create an animated AI background in CapCut on your phone. It's simple and very easy, as you will see here. It's incredibly easy and straightforward. First, you simply need to go here, add your desired background, and start creating your animated AI masterpiece. Your background and manually adjust everything here. The AI is available, so you can add some retouching for a stunning look or enhance it further. To make it look beautiful, or something else, but I believe no one will want to fuss with that, as you can see. Simply enter the AI Tools section. Select the Text-to-Image feature, and here you can either type in your desired input or choose an existing image to get started on your project. Simply put, we have an image, for example, a stunning picture like this one. And here you will find everything you need to create your animated AI background effortlessly. You have your prompt ready, and here's the image you need. Simply click on it, and you will see the options unfold before you. Let's go through this step by step again. Now, let's carefully discuss how to remove unwanted elements. Simply delete them, as shown here. Once you've done that, save your image, and yes, that's all there is to it. Here's your prompt saved, as you can see here. Now, simply press Generate, and this stunning image will be created instantly for you. And of course, you can simply go to ChatGPT, ask it to write a prompt for you, and it will generate one instantly, just like that. Here, as you can see, there are many amazing AI backgrounds available, like this cool astronaut design. Additionally, you can find stunning anime styles too. There are many cool backgrounds available, like this adorable cat design. Thank you all for watching, everyone. Wishing everyone good luck, and saying goodbye now.